Virtual Vocations online job platform review, usage experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Virtual Vocations, one of the leading platforms for finding remote jobs. If you're interested, I've added links to the platform in the description below. Virtual Vocations is designed specifically for remote job seekers in various fields, including IT, customer service, marketing, healthcare, writing, and project management. Unlike general job boards, this platform is fully dedicated to remote work, making it easier to find legitimate opportunities without having to filter through in-office listings. One of its biggest strengths is the curated job listings. Virtual Vocations hand screens every job before posting, reducing the risk of scams and low-quality listings. This is a huge advantage over many other remote job boards that pull listings from external sources without verification. The site aggregates remote jobs from company websites, partner job boards, and direct employer postings, ensuring a steady flow of fresh opportunities. Another key feature is the advanced job search filters. You can narrow results based on job category, employment type, full-time, part-time, contract, career level, and even geographic restrictions. This makes it easy to find remote jobs that match your skills and work preferences. Job alerts are also available, so you can receive notifications when new positions in your field are posted. However, Virtual Vocations operates on a freemium model. While you can browse job listings for free, applying for most positions requires a paid subscription. This can be a downside for job seekers on a tight budget, but the benefit is access to premium, high-quality job postings without excessive competition. Paid members also get exclusive career resources, such as resume assistance, job coaching, and interview tips, which can be valuable for those looking to improve their job search strategy. Overall, Virtual Vocations is an excellent choice for professionals looking for remote work in a wide range of industries. The hand-screened listings, advanced search filters, and additional career resources make it a trusted platform in the remote job market. If you're serious about finding a remote job, check out Virtual Vocations using the link in the description.